In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your own voice in ElevenLabs, step by step. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs and press Enter. You'll see the official ElevenLabs result near the top. Click through to open the site. A quick tip here. Always make sure you're on the official domain so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on the site, navigate to the voice changer area. This is part of the speech-to-speech tools, and it's designed to capture your voice so you can experiment with transformations or simply record clean audio inside the platform. When you arrive, look for the option that says Record Audio and click it. Before you start, try to be in a quiet space, turn off fans or air conditioners if you can, and keep your microphone 6 to 8 inches from your mouth for a natural sound. A pair of headphones helps prevent echo from your speakers. If you tend to pop your P and B sounds, angle the mic slightly off to the side rather than straight on. Next, click Start to begin recording. Your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone. That's normal, so allow access so the site can hear you. Take a breath, sit up straight, and speak at a steady pace. Aim for a confident but relaxed tone and avoid rushing. If you're not sure what to say, introduce yourself, describe your day, or read a short paragraph. Anything that includes a range of vowels and consonants, so the recording reflects your natural speaking style. It's helpful to leave a brief moment of silence at the beginning and end of your take. That provides clean room tone and makes trimming easier. When you've captured what you need, click Stop. Give it a second to process. You'll see a playback control appear. Click Play to listen to your recording. As you review, pay attention to clarity and background noise. If your voice sounds too quiet, move a little closer to the mic or speak slightly louder on your next take. If it sounds harsh or distorted, back away a bit or lower your input gain. Also, listen for consistent pacing. Smooth, even speech typically produces the best result. If you stumble, it's fine. Do another pass and keep each take short so it's easy to compare. That's the full process. From opening Google, finding ElevenLabs, heading to Voice Changer, recording your audio, and playing it back to evaluate. If you're not satisfied, don't worry. Short, repeated takes are the fastest route to a clean recording. Keep your environment quiet, hydrate, and warm up your voice for a minute to reduce mouth clicks. With a few tries, you'll have a crisp, natural sample ready for your projects.